A grocer purchased 80 kg of rice at rupees 13.5 per kg and mixed it with 120 kg rice at rupees 16 per kg. At what rate per kg should he sell the mixture to gain 16%? So the grocer purchased 80 kgs of rice at 13.5 per kg. So if you multiply this, you get the total cost in this transaction as 1080. Next, he purchases 120 kg rice at rupees 16 per kg. This comes out to be 1920. If we add this, we can see that the total cost incurred by the grocer is rupees 3000, and now he has 80 plus 120, that is 200 kgs. Now he wants the mixture to gain 16%. So the profit percentage he wants is 16%. Now we can easily find out the cost price per kg as well. So cost price per kg we can say is rupees 3000 upon 200. So zeros get cancelled. It becomes 30 upon 2, that is rupees 15. Now we can use the formula selling price is equal to cost price into multiplier. Because it is given profit percentage, multiplier will become 1 plus fraction equivalent of the percentage. Therefore, in this case, it becomes 1 plus 16 upon 100. So if we solve this, selling price per kg becomes cost price, that is 15, multiplied by 116 upon 100. So if we solve this, our answer comes out to be 17.4. So that is the selling price per kg at which we will gain a profit of 16%.